Welcome to .NET Training. Today's session is how to design register form using ASP.NET. We need a register form like this. Okay, we are going to design a form which is similar to the design. Okay, first of all, I'll open a Visual Studio. I'll create a page for register. I'll add a page to my ASP pages, add new item, web form. I'll name it as register and the extension is ASPX. Click add. Now the page is added to my pages. Right click, set as startup page for viewable purpose. Okay, if we see the design, so we have name label, surname label, gender, qualification, country. We do all this design by using table, so we need a table. I'll just create my table. First row, first column. Here register is the first row and first column of the table. So I'll just take a header, h1 tag. I'll name it as register. So my row is completed. I'll move to next row. Next row contains name label and text box. So I'll open first TD. First TD contains label, ASP colon label, ID, LVL name, runnet, server. My text would be name. Next TD. Next TD contains text box, ASP colon text box, ID, txt name, runnet, server, and text box doesn't contain text property. I'll just simply close it. Go to my browser and we'll check whether my page is working properly or not. So I got a register name and text box. I'll do the remaining design. Remaining, I have surname, gender, qualification, country. Surname also label and text box. This TR is completed. I'll open a new TR. This TR contains two TDs. In first TD, surname. Second TD contains text box, ASP colon text box, ID, runnet equal to server. As we know, text box doesn't have text property. I'll check it on browser. So I got surname and my text box. Next, I have to design radio buttons. For that, I'll choose radio button list. First, for displaying this gender, I'll take one label, TR. In first TD, I have a label. Label ID, LBL gender, run it, server, text would be gender. In the next TD, I need a radio button list. Okay. If you see your standard controls, you will find a radio button and radio button list. Radio button for single value, radio button list for list of values. I need a male and female, so I need a list. I'll select ASP colon radio button list ID, run it, equal to server. I'll close Mac tag. Inside of radio button list, I'll mention my list of items. Again, I'll open a list item tag, text for displaying text. My text is male and actual value also male. I'll close it. So I added one list item to my radio button. I'll simply go and check it in my browser. I got gender label as well as male list item also. I have one more list item. I'll open it. Text female, value female. I'll close it. I've done my radio button also. Now I need to mention checkboxes. In first TD, I have a qualification ID LBL qual, not equal to server, text is qualification. The next TD, I have checkboxes. So these are the checkboxes. We better go with checkbox list. Same as ASP colon checkbox list ID, run it, server. I need to add my list items. I'll take one list item, text SSC, just copy and paste it for better speed. I finished my checkbox also. Finally, I need to mention my drop down. I'll open one more tier, TD, country. You can mention in label also, you can write it directly. Next TD, ASP colon, drop down list. I need a list items here. Just copy these list items and I will place it here. I'll simply change the names. Finally, I need a button. Call span is to span the columns, and I'll get that button into center. I'll get my table also in center. So finally we got output as we desired. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.